Hi, I'm Alan, and I'm about to get shown my ass by that bitch of a gun there. By him, firing it, called Bandrick. In that box in the kitchen. If you can see it in the distance, that's what I'm going to get shot at. Oh god. Why the fuck did I fall into you? Hi, I'm about to get shown the ass. Nowhere fucking else, not the thighs, not the gooch, not the back, the butt cheek, and possibly an anal hole. Why did you do this? I do not know. Oh god.
You ready?
Yeah, go! Ah! Oh fuck! Oh! 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 Oh shit! Oh! Oh! Oh!
That's all.
Oh! God damn it! Oh! 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 Shit, you bastard!
Airsoft